Hello, Redbacks. How are you? I hope you had a lovely week last week. I've missed you so much. And today, for our phonics lesson, I would like to introduce you my friends. Are you ready to meet my new friends? Yeah? For today's lesson, we need to open our ears, we need to open our eyes, and we need to listen to Miss Sarah. Yeah? So, today, I would like to introduce you my best friend. Are you ready? Yeah? So my best friend is called Pinky. What is his name? Well done. Should we say it all together? Ready? Pinky. So this is Pinky. Yeah? And she is always really happy. Can you see her smile? Well done. What's her name again? Well done. Her name is Pinky. Yeah? And as I said, she's always happy. But today she was a little bit sad because she didn't have any friends to play with. So, Pinky, would you like to go to find some friends? Yes, please. Right. Let's have a look. Also, today we got here Purpy. Can you say his name? Purpy. Oh, so this is Purpy, and this is Pinky. Hold on a minute. You got the same initial sound as my name. Pinky and Purpy. Do they sound the same? Yeah? They got the same initial sound, yeah? Can we make the initial sound? Well done. So, Pinky said, "Hi, Purpy. Would you like to be my friend?" But then she realized he hasn't got any eyes. Oh! So, Purpy told Pinky, "Could you help me to find more friends? I can see anything." So then two went to find more friends. But this time they had a new challenge. They need to find more friends that has the same initial sound. Let's see. Here comes Pooh. What's his name? Pooh. Oh. Pooh. Oh. What happened to his face? What can you see? Well done, he's a little bit sad, isn't it? So this is Pooh, Pinky, and Purpy. Hello, Pooh. Oh, you can be our friends because we got the same initial sound. What's the initial sound for his names? Well done. So they asked him, "Why are you sad?" And he said, "Everybody laughs at my name." What's his name again? Pooh, well done. Oh, I love your name. And you can definitely be our friends because we all got the same initial sound. Pooh, Purpy, Pinky. But then they decided they needed one more friend to play with. Shall we see what else we can find? This time we got this alien called Pimpon. Hold on a minute. Pimpon. Has he got the same initial sound that the rest of the aliens? Should we say it again? Pimpon. Is it the same? Yes, it is. So let's remember everybody's name. Pimpon, Pooh, Purpy, Pinky. We all got the same initial sound. We definitely can go and play together. So they decide that this time they wanted to explore a new city. And come with me. So Pinky was leading the group, and she found this new city. First, they decided they wanted to go to play to the, what's this? Playground, well done. They decided they wanted to go to play to the playground. And they were happy because playground also has the same initial sound than the rest. But they also realized that everything in this city began with p, p, p. Like, let's see, what's this? Well done, it's a plum. P, p, plum. I can't believe everything in this city began with my initial sound. They also decided they wanted to go to eat some, what's this? Well done, some popcorn. Popcorn, well done. And then they realized that they also could go to eat some, what's this? Well done. Potato, well done. And everything in this city began with p, like pot, well done. Like pasta, well done. Like, what's this here in the jacket? Pocket, well done. So, Pinky, Peppy, Pooh, and Ping Pong decide they wanted to stay forever in the city. So, this is the end of our story. You can also make your very own story by drawing any aliens that you want. I only use some paper and some pens, stick it all together, and now I design my characters. Remember, they all have to have the same initial sound. P, p, p. I wonder if you can create your very own city and your very own characters, and maybe you can film yourself and put it on tapestry. Okay, I hope you like my story, and I will see you tomorrow with more. Bye!